Hi, I'm Jody, Juniper Gardens. I'm just about to cut this lawn today, and I'm going to mulch it, so mulching is where the mower cuts the grass into little tiny bits and in the mower deck, and then it lays it back down into the soil. And this has several benefits. It feeds the soil as the grass breaks down, and it aids drought tolerance because you're adding organic matter to the soil, which absorbs some water, so it helps with drought tolerance. And also, as the worms come up and take the bits of grass down into the soil, the worms create little holes, which helps to aerate the soil. So there's lots of advantages to mulching. Now, first of all, I'm going to whiz around with a strimmer, and then after that, I'll mow it, and I'll pick a point on the other side of the lawn, and I'll walk straight towards it. And don't take your eye off it, and that's how you get a nice straight line across the lawn. And then just follow it backwards and forwards. It's good to alternate the way you go across the lawn as well. You can go forwards and backwards and diagonal and from side to side. And this again, it's good for the health of the grass. It prevents you putting tracks into the grass. And then not too short, don't cut the grass too short. That's the biggest problem that you see around, is people cutting the grass too short. And this isn't good for the health of the grass. It's much greener if you leave it longer, and it becomes more drought tolerant. Again, the longer grass has longer roots, which is healthier all round for the soil. Okay, here we go. There you go, all done. It's been a dry spring, so but still it's looking pretty green. And there you go, a mulched lawn. Thanks for watching.